Alpha my people, now how una dey? I dey welcome you to our channel Cryptopidgin, the only channel where we go talk about crypto in pidgin English and everything wey dey related to am in pidgin English. All those big grammar for crypto, we go dey simplify am for here in pidgin English wey me and you go understand better. And for this video today, we will talk about crypto arbitrage and everything wey you need to know for crypto arbitrage. If you wan do crypto arbitrage, this video na for you, because today we will talk about wetin crypto arbitrage mean, wetin how e take dey work, how you fit know wetin to do, the risk wey dey involve in crypto arbitrage. We go dey talk about everything for this video. So if na the first time wey you dey watch our video be this, I wan tell you say make you just take 1 second take subscribe to the channel, so that any update wey we drop, you ma go dey see all the update wey we go dey drop for this channel. Better dey wey we go dey bring for this channel, so no lose guard, make you just subscribe to this channel now. So wetin be crypto arbitrage? Well, crypto arbitrage na when you buy a particular coin for one exchange at a lower price and you come sell am for another exchange at a higher price in a very short time. Na wetin crypto arbitrage mean be that. Let's say for example now, you check the price of Bitcoin for Binance exchange and you also check the price of Bitcoin for Kucoin exchange, and you come spot say the dey differences, the price wey dey Binance and the price wey dey Kucoin dey different. Let's say the price dey cheaper for Kucoin and the price dey high for Binance. So wetin you go do be say you go just buy from Kucoin, transfer am go Binance, go sell, and any gain wey you make you go pocket am. Na wetin crypto arbitrage mean be that. Na to buy from a lower exchange, come sell for higher exchange. So na everything about crypto arbitrage be that. But make you also know say coin price for crypto exchange dey different, but not that big differences sha. If you never watch my video where I talk about top 10 crypto exchange, I go drop the link for the video description, so if you check am out, you go know the exchange wey dey legit. But before you start to dey run crypto arbitrage, make I tell you 4 things wey you need to know before you start. The number one for our list na verification of account. As you know well, I say this crypto arbitrage go involve plenty crypto exchange. You go make sure say you get the document to verify your account for those crypto exchange wey you go dey use, so that you go fit dey buy and sell crypto without any wahala. The number 2 wey we go talk about na charges. By now, if you don know say sending crypto from one exchange to another no be free, because they go dey charge you for every transaction wey you dey do. So make sure say the crypto exchange wey you wan use dey do your arbitrage no dey charge high for transaction wey you go dey do, so that you no go come use all the whole gain wey you forget take pay for charges. Na small gain dey comot from crypto arbitrage, but make the charges wey you dey use, or make the crypto exchange wey you dey use, no too dey charge high, so that all the gain wey you go make, you no go use am pay for charges. Number 3 na capital. Capital na koko for any business wey you wan dey do for this life. For crypto arbitrage, na capital be the main thing. The bigger your capital, the bigger your gain. So if your capital dey small, your gain ma go dey small. Meaning say gain wey you go get if you use $1,000 take start your crypto arbitrage no go dey the same for person wey use $10,000 take start. Even if una two do the same transaction, the gain wey go comot go dey different. Your own go dey small and the person own go dey high, because the person get more capital than you. So you must consider your capital first before you talk about crypto arbitrage. The number 4 thing wey you need to know for this crypto arbitrage na speed. See, ma I tell you the truth for this crypto arbitrage. One thing wey you need to be good at na speed, because the price difference is not too dey stable. Before you close your eyes open and price don change and you don miss opportunity be that. So if you wan do this crypto arbitrage well, make you dey fast for any transaction wey you dey do. The next time we go talk about now na the type of crypto arbitrage wey dey. Crypto arbitrage dey different, and na so dey take dey work differently. Number 1 for the list na arbitrage between exchange. Na when you buy from one exchange and sell to another exchange, whether you buy from spot or you buy from P2P, which means say this type of crypto arbitrage go involve more than one exchange, more than one crypto exchange. You go buy from this crypto exchange, go sell from that crypto exchange. The number 2 na triangular arbitrage. This one na the one wey you go do within one crypto exchange, meaning say they get plenty platform wey you fit connect more than one crypto exchange take dey use dey do your crypto arbitrage wella. Instead of moving from one crypto exchange go another, this one you go just dey one platform dey run the two together. You go connect more than one crypto exchange take dey run your crypto arbitrage. This one also in go increase your speed wey you take dey perform any transaction. The number 3 for the list na statistical arbitrage. This one na for advanced people wey sabi the game. I no go advise you if you just dey start make you do this one. This type of arbitrage na when you set technical analysis and fundamental analysis for bots, so that trading bot go dey help you dey trade, they go dey help you dey buy, dey help you dey sell based on the rules wey you give them or wey you give am. The next one we dey talk about na the risk wey dey involved in crypto arbitrage. Number one na slippage. Na when you buy coin and the price wey you wan sell the coin dey very big pass other traders wey wan buy the coin or wey wan sell the coin too. As you take know say crypto space na person wey im own cheap pass na im people dey buy from. So if you don dey do P2P, you go understand better. If you don buy any coin and you wan sell am, no one say you wan make much gain. If not, person no go buy from you. Any price wey dey lesser na im people go buy from. So if you just buy and you wan sell, just sell am with price wey dey very okay, so you no go say you wan make much gain, you go come put price wey big pass other people. Number two na price movement. As I be talking before, na price differences we take dey make money for crypto arbitrage. So the price gap no too dey last long. Before you blink, the price don change be that. Na why we talk say make you dey fast for anything wey you wan do wey concern crypto arbitrage. Number three na charges. We don talk about charges before, so we no go talk about am. But if you still no understand, charges na the amount of money wey they go charge you for any transaction wey you dey do for any crypto exchange. So if you wan start crypto arbitrage, they get resources wey I go drop for you. We get number one Coingecko, we get Coinmarketcap, and number three we get attorney.com. So Coingecko, you go see the coin wey you wan buy and the prices wey they dey sell am for every exchange, so that you go know the one wey you go buy from and the one wey you go sell from. Na the same with Coinmarketcap, but attorney na platform wey be say you fit connect more than two crypto exchange together, so that you fit dey run your crypto arbitrage for one platform, as we be talk about triangular arbitrage before. So for this video, I go show you the example of wetin I dey talk and how to use these resources well. So like this now, we go to our browser and search for coingecko.com, and once e load, we go just go straight to the search section. We go search for Filecoin. So once we search for Filecoin, you go open every details about Filecoin. So if you scroll down, see the chart, see the details, the contract address and other stuff. So but you go scroll down, search for the exchange, and you go see the price where they sell am for every crypto exchange where Filecoin dey available to buy and sell from. So once you see am, if you no dey satisfied, you fit click on the button below and you go see all the whole crypto exchange where Filecoin dey. So you see the prices, na so they take dey do crypto arbitrage. So once you see the prices now and you dey satisfied, you fit just go to that exchange, you go buy from the exchange, then you go see the exchange where the price low, you go just go there go buy. You see the exchange where the price high, you go just go there go sell too. So na so they take dey do crypto arbitrage. And again, you see say the Filecoin for this Coingecko, they get their PS, some na USD, some na USDT, some na BTC. They take the trade down for their crypto exchange. So na the same thing. So for the second platform now, you go just go search for Coinmarketcap. So once you go search for Coinmarketcap, you go their search section, you go search for Filecoin. Once the Filecoin load, you go see all the details of Filecoin for the Coinmarketcap. You go scroll down, you go see overview market. You go click on the market. Once you click on the market, you go see all the whole exchange, all the whole crypto exchange where Filecoin dey. You go see am for there, and once you see am for there, you fit know where you go buy from and you fit know where you dey sell from. Na so everything take be for crypto arbitrage. For attorney, you go just go to Play Store, search for attorney. You see the logo for the last slide wey I post. You go just download am, you go register, verify your account, then connect all the whole exchange where you want dey use. So now everything wey we get for crypto arbitrage be that. In case you forget, crypto arbitrage now when you buy coin or token from one crypto exchange for cheap price, and you go sell am for high price for another crypto exchange. If you still want learn more about crypto arbitrage, you should join our Telegram group where we go dey drop update about crypto arbitrage, and I go drop the link for the description of this video. Thank you say you watch this video. No forget to subscribe and share the video, and see you for our next video.